Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ablation. 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 Ablation is a medical and scientific term that refers to the removal or destruction of a part of the body, tissue, or substance, usually by a surgical procedure, heat, or other means. It can also refer to the process of wearing away or eroding, often in the context of glaciers and meteorites. Examples: 1. The patient underwent cardiac ablation to treat a rhythm disorder in the heart. In this sentence, cardiac ablation refers to the medical procedure of removing or destroying abnormal tissue in the heart to correct a rhythm disorder. 2. The ablation of the tumor was successful, and the patient is now in remission. Here, ablation of the tumor signifies the successful removal or destruction of the tumor through a medical intervention. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.